So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of delayed monitor response on your Windows laptop or computer. Now in order to fix it, simply open the Windows settings. You can easily open it by start menu. Now here in the settings, go to system and here click on this option of display, and here in the display you need to scroll down and go to this option that is advanced display. Click over there, and here make sure to click on this option of choose a refresh rate. Now choose the highest refresh rate available for you. For me, in my case, it is 144 hertz, so that I can, so I have selected 144 hertz. But in your case, if it's 60 hertz or 50 hertz or 120 hertz, whatever it is, make sure to select the highest refresh rate, and that will definitely solve the problem. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.